Welcome back, everybody. In this video we are going to create the stair step or step support from the multi-view level 1 drawings that we did in class. So I'm just going to go ahead and start a sketch, and I'm just going to start with this lower corner, and I'm going to make that the lower corner of my stairs. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just make a rectangle of the full shape first. So you can see the first one highlighted is the vertical height, so I'm going to go 2.25, click tab, and then 4 for the width. I'm going to click on my little view box so that I can see everything that's going on. I see the whole shape now. Now I can start drawing some of the other lines in and work my way around. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to go up 0.75, enter, and then I'm going to start coming over, but you can see that measurement isn't there. So if you look up top, there's 1.5, 1.25, and then this area is left empty. Well, what they're asking you is to find that area by knowing the distance down below. So if I just subtract 1.5, 1.25 from 4, I will get my distance over. Generally what you would do is you do that in your head, maybe a calculator. But one thing nice about this program is I can type in 4 minus 1.5 minus 1.25, and I actually get my distance. So that way it does some of its own calculations. Next height, 0.75, then I go over 1.25, enter, then I just have to go the rest of the way up, and then from here I need to actually draw this line over. Now, in general, we have two completed shapes here, one of the stairs and one of the full rectangle. When I click Finish Sketch, what's going to happen is it's going to give me a little bit more options. I could click on one side or the other. Sometimes when I'm going over it and there's two parts, it would just go ahead and not let me select one part, but try to keep selecting the whole thing. So one thing I like to do is if I just double click on the sketch, going back into it, I can take some of these lines, the ones I don't want, and I can turn them into what is called a construction line. So those lines are not lines that are used when I go to extrude. So now I can go click on extrude, and you can see I can't click to get that area to extrude as well. It's just going for this area. Now I gotta type in the one. Try again. Now I gotta type in the 1.25. Enter, and then there we go. I've got my first shape. Thanks. See you on the next video.